Hello, today I will show you how to replace the batteries on UPS Inform 1000A model. First of all, be sure to buy buy batteries with the same specifications as the batteries inside. I have bought two batteries for this model, so we have to turn it around and unscrew these four screws. Now we have to take out the front panel using a small screwdriver. Be careful because we have here a cable. You can take it off, but it's not necessary. Carefully turn it around and disassemble the top cover. That's it. Here we have the two batteries. Unplug the cables. Take out the batteries and put the new ones here. We plug in the cables again, red in red and black in black. And now we have to screw again the four screws and we are done. Okay, we are testing it. Plug in the power source. Yes, that's it. Thank you.